you give me is too big.
Why did you put the door if you're not going to use it?
Sorry, I thought you were decent.
What do you want?
Just wanted to tell you breakfast is ready.
Breakfast, okay. I'll be out soon.
Alright.
And please, next time, try to use the door. It's better you just break it if you know you're not going to use it.
Yes, ma'am.
What? What?
Bro, you can't even believe what's going on right now. Bro, my small sister of yesterday, she's all grown up now, guy. Like, she's all grown up, bro. I don't know, guys.
Talk to me. What's really happening around her?
The other day, I came from her room and she was trying to wear makeup, bro. She was trying to wear makeup, guy.
At that age?
For real. You know the worst part, guy? Just coming from her room now. She was checking her behind. Guy, my small sister, she was checking out her behind. Bro, that's mad. I don't know what to do anymore, bro. Honestly. She's grown up too fast. Do you get? I think she needs a female figure in her life. Like someone she can talk to about all these things. Do you understand?
But you see, this is what I've been telling you. A lady in your life.
No. Right? You've just changed the topic completely. What is I need a girlfriend? I don't need a girlfriend, bro. I'm not even in that headspace right now to think about a girl or anything. All this bullshit. In fact, listen, I'll find a way around it, okay? I'll just find a way. But I'm just so worried about her now. I'll find a way, don't worry.
Yes, Rome, you called me.
Yes, I did. I want us to talk. Please have a seat.
Okay, thank you. So, what do you want to talk about?
So, I just wanted to ask if you have anything to tell me.
No, absolutely nothing.
Nothing?
No, nothing.
Listen, you know that it's just two of us left here.
Yes.
And we have each other's back, right? You can tell me anything.
Okay, I can tell you everything.
So what's up? Anything you want to tell me?
No, it's just silly stuff and no need. It's not necessary at all.
No, it's necessary. We can talk about it.
Look, don't worry. Don't bother your head. Unless you want us to talk about something.
No, nothing. Nothing.
Okay, since you called me even when you had nothing to talk about, I'll just go now because I'm actually busy upstairs.
That's fine. Okay.
Yes.
Cool.
Okay, so you seem to be sweating profusely. Is there any problem?
No problem. Everything is fine. No problem.
Okay.
Yep.
There's no problem. See ya.
Shit, I'm sweating. Bro, I swear I did not get one piece of information out of this girl. Like, nothing. She's not telling me anything. And I saw her talking to a boy in the estate. I don't know what to do.
Can you start up the conversation with her? Ask her about this.
I don't want to make her feel like I'm monitoring her life. I don't want to make her feel that way. But she's not giving up any information, bro.
I think at this point, this is where we need to bring in the agency.
More. At this point, I don't think I have a choice anymore. But do you think I can trust anybody they bring in?
Great. You have to go for
Alright,
this.
fine. It's calm, it's cool. No wahala. Let them send the person. Yeah. It's kind of good now.
Come in. Oh, for the first time in a few years, someone decided to knock before entering this room.
How are you?
I'm very fine, and you?
I'm okay.
So what's up?
I want to talk to you about something.
What, do you have a girlfriend?
Very funny.
But you know you really need one, right?
I'm not having that conversation with you.
Okay, so what do you want?
I think we need some help around here.
Help.
Yes.
Bro, we've not needed help since Dad died. Why do we need one now?
I mean, I think we do need one now. I think you need like a female around, you know, somebody you can talk stuff with.
Oh.
So that's why I contacted an agency for a house help.
Okay, whatever you say. You're the older one, so you just have to obey.
Yep, older and wiser. So she's coming here tomorrow.
Okay, wiser? I wouldn't say that. But older? Check.
Just wanted
But
to
you know
inform
that if you had a girlfriend, we wouldn't need any help.
I've told you I'm not having that conversation
Typical
with you.
you're just trying to run away from this conversation.
Go to bed.
Come. Oh.
Good night.
Oh God, I'm not even understanding anything. I'm just...
Come in.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, afternoon. You're from the agency, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. I was gonna say you should sit down.
Sorry, sir.
Don't tell me sorry. I detest people that apologize. Because you simply get into trouble and just apologize for it. So your work here is simple. Take up all the domestic responsibilities of the house. You also be my sister's nanny.
Nanny.
Yes, nanny. I mean, she's a teenager. She's young. She needs help growing up, and I'm sure you can help her do all that stuff. Right?
Yes, sir.
Good. So every important matter about my sister, you report it to me. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I've also discussed payment with your agency, and it's a living job. Hope you're comfortable with that.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Who do we have here? Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Okay, so...
Yeah, she's from the agency.
Oh, she's from the agency?
Yes, she is.
And she's still standing. Brother, that is not a good way to treat a lady. Please, sit. Don't mind him. Sit.
Yeah,
Sit. So, please, can I know your name?
My name is Carla.
Oh, that's a nice name you got there.
Thank you.
My name is Annabelle,
Nice to meet you.
but Anna for short. I like it like that.
Nice to meet you.
So when do you start?
Today, I'll just go get my bags.
Good. So I'll give you a quick tour of the house.
Oh, no, actually, I want to do that by myself.
All right, suit yourself.
Okay. Don't mind that head look. Behind that is a sweet guy, I promise you, okay?
Okay.
So the tour, that's the way to the kitchen. Let's go. Feel free, okay? Okay, welcome to your room. Hope you like it.
Yes, it's cool. I like it.
So you said you're moving in today, right?
Yes, once we finish the tour, I'll just go get my bags.
Okay, that'd be nice. You know, it's really, really nice having another lady in this house.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, so let me show you my room, another place in the house, and then you go get your bag.
Alright.
Yeah. Would you like to drop this here? Or you
No,
gonna-
I'm okay with my bag.
Okay. So this way, let's go.
Yeah, she came earlier.
Roman, calm down. Is this girl beautiful?
Yo, she's my maid. I didn't look at her face. Yeah, I did not.
Hello, bro. Oh,
It's Anna.
who's that?
Cameron.
Oh yeah. Greeting from me. Say hi.
Sure thing. Bro says hi. Let me call you back, eh?
Okay, bye.
So,
So, what?
what do you think of her?
What do you think of who?
Who else? Auntie Carla, what do you think of her?
I don't understand. Where is this question coming from?
She's beautiful, isn't she?
No.
Don't you have eyes? I don't understand how you see sometimes.
Quick question. Don't you have anything more important to do this evening than to be talking about this?
I'm talking with my brother. That is very important. There's nothing more important than this.
So that means you don't have anything to do this evening.
No.
Please just go to your room and play with your phone or
I'm
something.
tired of playing with my phone. Will I play game all my life? Is that what I came to this world to do?
And thank God we have company now. Can't be with Carla, please.
No, she's not back yet. I told you she went to bring her stuff.
Go to your room.
Let's do a pillow fight.
Nobody, I'm not doing
Pillow fight!
Stop. Stop.
You don't want to fight back?
Stop.
I'll beat you.
Stop.
I'll beat you. I'll beat you!
Who's that? Come in. Hi.
Hello! So you're back. I didn't even know you're back. I thought it was you out.
I came back like an hour ago. I'm just trying to settle in.
You're just trying to... Oh my god, I missed it. I wanted to help you actually. I came late. I should have came earlier.
Thank you.
You're
far too kind.
Yeah, I'm like that sometimes. Yeah, so how are you enjoying your room?
Fine, I love
There's no
it.
problem.
No.
If you need anything, I'm always here to help, okay? Water,
I'm fine.
food, yeah.
So, I wanted to find out something. Please.
Yeah, feel free. Stop stammering. Yeah.
Sure, I will not be prying.
No, feel free. Talk.
Do you live alone here with your brother?
Yes, actually, we live alone in this boring house. But it's not actually boring, my brother. My brother is fun to be with.
How about your parents?
Oh, parents. Actually, my dad died when I was 5 years old. Quite disheartening. Yeah, but it's okay. And my mom, I don't even know who she is. Funny.
I'm so sorry to hear this.
No, it's fine. I didn't even know them. You don't miss what you don't know, right? Yeah. But one funny thing is, my brother doesn't ever let me feel that void. Like every single time, I know my brother, but I feel like I'm with my whole family. That's great. Yeah.
Your brother is handsome.
Oh, so is that a compliment for my brother? You complimented my brother. Meaning what?
What do you mean by that, young lady?
So, oh wait, just to be clear, my name is Annabelle. Anna for short.
Okay, Annabelle.
Yes.
What does that mean?
Actually, you know what it means. You're a full-grown adult.
Whatever that you're thinking, I'm not thinking it.
And are you serious right now? You just said my brother is handsome.
So I will just go settle in.
Oh yeah, you still have something you need to settle. Let me help you. What do you need? You need to fold your clothes, wash them, hang them. What exactly do you need?
Yeah. So
Good morning, Auntie Carla.
good morning.
So how was your first night?
It was fine.
It was fine. Okay, so what can I help you with?
Nothing that I cannot handle.
Seriously? And you know what? Let me just tell you. I am not a sport brat. I can do everything. In fact, before you came here, I used to do all these things on my own.
I see.
Yeah, so there's no need to tell me. I can handle it alone. Yeah?
All right.
So what can I help you do?
You can probably help me rinse the plates.
Yeah, probably means to me. So, you teach me how to cook, right? I can already cook some things, but not all of it.
What can you cook?
I can cook jollof, rice. I can also cook...
Anna, I'm busy.
So it's me.
What are you doing here?
I came to ask what you want for breakfast.
Anna can give you the information.
Okay, sir.
And yeah, my room is off limits. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And yeah, one more thing. I saw Anna talking to a boy. I want you to get her to talk about it. Can you do that?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Bye.
Yes, sir.
Auntie Carla, the food was really, really, really nice. I enjoyed it.
Thank you, Anna.
And I'm sorry for what my brother did earlier. You know, when I asked you to come and sit with us, he said no. I'm really, really sorry.
Oh,
Please.
no. It's fine. I'm okay with eating in the kitchen.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's fine.
Okay, if you say so.
So tell me about teenagehood. Come.
I'll like to arrange this chair now. Yeah, let's go.
So tell me about your teenage life.
Oh, it's good. Nothing much.
Nothing much. No special stories.
Mm.
Wait, tell me, do you have new friends?
Male friends, yes, of course I do. A few of them.
Really?
Yes, I do.
Tell me about them.
I would really love to tell you about them, yes, but you know, after eating, you have to retire for the day and sleep. You understand? Yes. So I just have to go freshen up now. Yeah, thank you so much for the food. It was really nice.
Good night, sweetheart. Bye. See you tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow. Definitely, tomorrow.
Very smart girl. Good morning, sir.
You, what are you doing? Eh?
So I'm cleaning the whole house. I just finished mopping all the rooms and this is the last room.
What part of my room is off limits, don't you understand? What part of it don't you understand?
I didn't know off limits also meant not cleaning your room.
Is something wrong with you? Eh? Or you don't seem to understand simple English again? Eh?
Sorry, sir. Hello, Anna.
Oh, Auntie, you done mopping my brother's room already?
No, your brother wouldn't let me.
He wouldn't let you mop his room.
Yes.
I don't understand what.
Anna,
Yes.
I've been meaning to ask.
Okay, go on.
Do you think I did anything to annoy your brother?
Absolutely not. No. What could you have done? Nothing.
So why is he acting like this towards me?
Look, right from time, my brother loves to clean his room by himself. So I think he's still there. He still loves to clean his room.
Are you sure?
Yes, yes.
I'm really
No,
worried.
you don't need to be worried. You didn't do anything to annoy him. He's not angry with you, okay?
Okay,
He's not.
that seems like a relief.
I know he might be a handful and he can be very annoying sometimes. But beyond that, is a very sweet guy. And I know you like him if you get to know him.
So much emphasis on sweet guy.
Well, he's my brother. I should be so proud.
Thank you, Anna.
Well, could you want me to help you with anything?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, I can help you carry them up. Don't worry. I'll
Thank
do that.
you.
Yes. Ouch.
Sorry.
Anna?
Yes, bro.
You see my shoe?
Your shoe, which one of them?
The black one.
Oh, yes. I saw with Auntie Carla earlier today. Yeah, I think she wanted to clean it or something.
My shoe.
Yes, your shoe. Is there any problem? She just wanted to clean it.
Carla! Carla!
Calm down. It's just your shoe.
Sorry, I I saw the shoe in passage when I was cleaning, so I thought to clean it before you come back.
Oh wow, Auntie Carla, you did such a great job. I mean, considering the state I saw it in this morning. Yeah, you should be really grateful and not angry.
Now listen, Carla. Take your hands away from my personal belongings. Do you hear me? I'm not going to repeat myself again. Drop it on the floor and get out. Floor!
Sorry.
Now that was not cool. And excuse me, I forgot my phone. Excuse me. Auntie Carla!
Just the person I want to call just now. I don't even know how you convinced me about bringing this girl to my house. She's just everywhere. She's in my face. I told my right, she's there. I told my left, she's there. I'm calm. Yes, I'm calm. I know I'm just doing this for Anne, yes. No wala.
Why is he acting like this? I'm confused. What is really going on? Who's that? Oh, Anna.
Auntie Carla, I want to say sorry for what's my brother did.
Okay. It's okay, it's not your fault. It's okay, it's not your fault, okay? But then I'm confused. I'm very confused. Well, it probably might be my fault. But I don't know. Probably might be my fault. Maybe that's what is triggering your brother's attitude. But then I'm also wondering if I did something, it would be easier that he says it to me.
Don't worry, trust me, everything is fine, okay? Everything's perfect.
What do you think?
You know what? I think we should play a game. Yes.
Anna, play a game?
Yeah, you teach me the one you know, I teach you the one I know. We play it.
Okay. You can sit on my bed.
Oh, thank you so much. So, which one do you know?
I know how to play what?
What?
Ludo.
Ludo.
Chess.
Chess.
Which one do you have?
I have none of them. But I have Ludo on my phone.
Oh really? Where's your phone?
It's my room.
Okay, go bring it.
Yeah, I'm coming. Yeah. Wait for me, I'm coming.
I'm waiting. Such a sweet girl.
Today was very, I don't know whether to call it stressful, because the teachers were just giving us extra work. It was the teacher that took our free period.
So it wasn't fun today
It
in
was
school?
so fun. Like, there was no time to, gist as usual, play with my friends, or do anything. He gave us, when he divides the board, this part, he wrote like 5 times on each part. And we kept on writing. My hand is literally paining me. I don't know what to do. Oh, that's my brother. Hello, Rome.
Good afternoon, sir.
I went to your school and we're not there.
Oh yeah, Auntie Carla already came and took me.
Get in.
Okay, Auntie, let's go.
I said, Anna, get in.
What about her?
Get into the car, Anna.
Not without Auntie Carla.
I can walk.
Yeah, you can leave. I don't care. Bye. Look how you just drove off. That's whatever. I'm not entering your car for anything. Why is he honking? He's supposed to just go. What do you think he's honking?
Let's go. Let's just get in the car.
Wait. You want me to get into your car? After what you just did?
Anna, what are you doing here?
I'm here with you. Okay. He asked you to leave the living room, so I had to leave too. Okay.
Anna, but you were enjoying the movie.
And you were enjoying the movie too before he asked you to leave.
Please. I do not want to be the reason for any rift between you and your brother. So I'm begging you in God's name. Don't involve yourself in I and your brother's issues.
Oh, well, too late. I'm already in the middle of those issues.
Anna.
Come on, get over it. Now, since we cannot watch the movie on television, should I get my phone so that we can watch it there?
No.
Come on. You really want to know how he ended, right? How he died. Yeah. The twist. So should I get it? I'm coming.
Sir, please, I was wondering if we could talk.
Talk about what?
I noticed that you have been very angry with me and I've been wondering why. So I thought to come ask so that I can apologize just in case I've done anything wrong.
Carl, are you mad?
No, sir.
Eh?
No, sir.
Something wrong with you in the head.
Sorry, sir.
If you don't get out of here this minute, you'll see my true color. Get out! Nonsense. Can we talk?
Okay, so your turn. Your turn again. Why did you have to do that? You're taking my turn. Wait. Oh, you're cheating.
No.
You like to cheat. You like to cheat. Wait, let me play. Wait. It's my turn. What do you want to do? Oh my God. You won't even let this game go successfully. Calm down. It's my turn. Yeah. You want to spoil my game for me?
Anna,
Yes.
I'll tell you something.
What? Wait.
I overheard you telling your brother that I turned off the gas.
Oh, yeah, that incident. Actually, you know how men can be sometimes. He turned on the gas and left it. And I turned it off and told him you were the one.
Wait, why did you have to lie?
I don't know, to get him to say thank you or to even make both of you friendly.
Oh no, Anna, that's not good. Okay?
Oh.
I understand that your intentions are pure. But you do not have to lie. Okay? Lying is bad.
Okay.
You do not have to lie irrespective of your good intentions. Alright?
Yes.
So what do you want for lunch?
What do I want for lunch? But wait. Calm down. Now your turn.
What do you want for lunch? You don't want to eat?
I'm not hungry. Let's just leave it till tomorrow morning. Okay, this evening. I don't know. Just let's play this game.
Okay. I'm gonna win you now.
Wait. Oh, Ron, you're here.
Yep.
We were actually waiting for you.
What do you mean we?
Oh, Carla. We're waiting for you. Oh, yeah.
It was like a family get together, family movie night. What's Carla doing here?
Exactly. Family movie nights. That's why she's here. She's family.
Carla is just in the movie with us. In the popcorn. Thank you. Hey, you can leave now.
Let's go.
Where do you think you're going to, young lady?
Actually, you told her to leave, so I'm leaving too.
No, Anna, don't.
No, don't worry.
Anna, this is our tradition.
Mm-hmm.
So you just want to break it like that?
Nah. Yes. Why won't I break it? Please, let's go.
Okay, fine.
Please sit. Yeah, sit here.
Wait, no, you sit here.
Why would I sit there? I decided, look, let me tell you. You know how it works. This is movie night. I make the rules. I will tell you the movie we will watch. I will tell you how we share the popcorn. So please. Correct. Okay, so since we just have one bowl of that popcorn, both of you will have to share it.
Must be joking. Not share my bowl of popcorn with anybody.
Oh, well, you have to share it. Didn't you hear what I said? I make the major rules in this movie night. So if you want this movie night to go on, then you have to share that popcorn. Now share it. Or no movie night. Share popcorn. Good, that's my big brother. Roam. So let the movie begin. So this is the movie I chose, right? I don't know if it will be nice. I've not seen it before. But let's see. Why did you share it? Oh, yeah. There's just one pillow on the couch and there's a couple. So here. Pillow for you. Go on. You're welcome. Good. Eat and watch. Enjoy your movie. What's happening? Go closer to each other. Enjoy. Just. Can you eat the popcorn? Be free. Look at that.
That's a nice shot.
Wow. Yeah,
I'm sorry, sir.
Really?
I'm sorry. I shouldn't have apologized. I'm sorry, sir.
Okay, I think I'm feeling sleepy and I need to, sleep.
I'll just go with you upstairs.
Why? You just stay here. Enjoy your movie. Bond, enjoy your popcorn. I just go upstairs and sleep. And when I wake up, make sure both of you tell me the story. Okay? Okay? I just take my popcorn. Even though it's finished. So I have some from yours. Thank you.
Good night.
What's wrong? Okay. Good night, Auntie Carly. Good night.
Sir, please, if you're not comfortable with me here, I'll just go upstairs.
Of course, this is my house and I'm comfortable.
I shouldn't have said that.
Yeah, you shouldn't. Get out.
Sorry, sir.
Yo, I said get out. Eh?
Sir, please. If I've done anything wrong, please tell me so I can apologize, please.
Carla.
Yes, sir. Please.
Get out.
Rome. So, are you ready?
Ready for what?
To buy the cardboard. I thought you said I should wait for you to finish what you're doing, then you take me there.
Yeah, that's right. I forgot. I'm not even halfway through what I'm doing yet.
But I need to get the cardboard paper.
And that is a very, very important account and balance. I need to do it today. How about Carla go with you?
No. Look, the bookshop is not around here. If she has to go, she has to either trek or get a bike, and that is almost impossible in this estate. And before she goes and comes back, it will be late. Please, I need this. Let's just drive.
Okay, where my car keys?
There, there, over there on the table.
Alright, fine. Let's go.
Great, thank you. Okay, give me a hand.
Alright.
Give me a hand. Bye, Auntie Carla. Bye.
Alright.
Here, the key.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Come in. So can I now have my peace in this house?
Yes, you can. Thank you so much for the cardboard.
Can
I'm
focus
going
on
to
my
go
work.
start up my project
Alright.
immediately.
Keep it down.
Good luck with your balancing.
Keep it down. My age paining me. I didn't finish balancing this account. How is it done now? Carla? Carla!
Sir. Sir, you called me.
This is you, right? This is you, right? Isn't it?
Sir, I saw that you were struggling, so I just thought I should help.
Did I ask you for your help? Did I? Did I? How many times have I warned you to stay clear from my personal stuff? Don't you understand it? Don't you get it? Stay clear!
So what is happening?
Listen, stay away from this. Stay away from this.
Okay, you have to come. Auntie Carla, so what happened? Why is he like that?
Don't worry about it. I'll be fine.
My brother is shouting at you and you're telling me not to worry.
Don't worry about it.
So what am I? Rome, sometimes you just have to calm down, okay? Auntie.
Anna, when did you come here?
Just now. Look, I know that you're worried, but I have an idea.
About?
So, my brother really loved pancakes, so I figured if you could make him some pancakes, and he loves the pancakes, you win his heart forever.
Anna, what are you saying?
I'm saying, okay, look, I know you like him, so I'm just trying to make that work together so that you get me like this.
Well, that used to be before. I don't like him anymore.
I don't understand. You don't like him anymore?
Yes, I don't. Well, I probably fell for his looks, but I figure that's all your brother has to offer.
No, absolutely not, Auntie Carla. Look, trust me, you thought wrong. My brother is a very good person. I know sometimes he can be grumpy and annoying, but he's very good if you get to know him. Okay? Very good.
Anna.
Yes, he is.
I don't think so. Your brother is not a nice person.
No.
He hasn't been nice to me. Matter of fact, I came to this house with the purest of hearts. But I cannot comprehend the level of hatred that your brother has for me. I've tried, I've thought about several things, but I cannot come to terms with anything. Anna, I love you very much. And I completely understand this thing that you're trying to build between I and your brother. But I'm sorry, it is impossible. It is not going to work. I will not put myself in a position trying to be with a man that does not want to be with me. Anna, I came to this house to work. And henceforth, that is what I will do. Do you understand me?
Yeah. Oh God, this might never work. What am I gonna do now? Hello, Uncle.
Hello, Anna, how are you?
I'm fine, but I'm not fine.
What's wrong?
Turns out that our plan might never work. No, she's a nice person. I like her, and at first she liked my brother, but now it turns out she's not interested.
I'll say let's let her go, but if you like her,
No, she
then...
can stay. I didn't say I don't like her. It's just that my brother keeps acting somehow towards her, so she doesn't like him anymore. Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
It's okay.
I'll
Let her
call you
stay.
if there's anything.
Anna?
Oh yeah, but yes.
Who are you talking to? I just heard your conversation now.
Actually, nobody. Nobody. I wasn't talking to anyone. I was just here. I was talking to myself, actually. Yeah.
Really, Anna? I just had your conversation on the phone.
Oh, you did. Okay, so promise me you're not going to be mad. Promise.
Spill. I won't.
Pinky swear.
Pinky swear.
Okay. Okay. So, I'll just say it. So, before you came to this house, even now, my brother has been shy. He's been on his own, like he doesn't communicate with females. I've never seen him fall in love, you understand? So, his friend, Uncle Cameron, and I were worried about it and we decided to do something about it. Yes, that is why I started acting in some kind of way to make him feel somehow. Because I knew that he was a very shy person. Like, he wouldn't just come to me and start talking about every other thing, you understand? And then I started acting up in a weird way so that he would notice it. And I knew that he wouldn't like to talk to me about it because he's shy and naive. And then he started talking to Uncle Cameron about it, which was according to our plan too. Uncle Cameron told him to get someone, a lady that will be close to me, more like a friend. Yes, so that's how it is. Actually,
Wait. Anna.
Ma?
So, are you trying to tell me that the day that your brother caught you talking to another boy, you knew he was watching you?
Absolutely, yes, I knew he was watching. Even the boy knew that it was all a plan, that my brother was watching me. And this plan worked very well because immediately he went back to Uncle Cameron and took his advice of bringing you here. The plan was actually to make you fall for him, and then after that, both of us would team up and make him fall for you, yes. But immediately you came, I noticed that you liked him, so I was left with just one task, making him fall for you. But now you're not interested anymore. I know it's bad, but I just want my brother to be happy. I want him to love, to have something to do with a woman once again.
Anna, I'm lost for words. You don't trick people to fall in love. If it is going to happen, then it will happen naturally.
Yeah, I've learned my lessons now. And I'm sorry for getting you involved in the first place. But I'm happy. I'm kind of happy I did, because I got to meet you.
I'm happy I met you too. Let me tell you something.
Okay.
Your brother will find someone to love. He'll be fine, okay?
Yes, I know that. But I just wish the person would be you.
Well, funny how life works. You do not always get what you want, do you? And in this case, I don't think it is possible.
Okay, I'll just let it go.
So you know what? We'll have to tell your brother.
Tell what? No, why? Absolutely not. If you tell him, he's going to send you out of this house.
Anna, I do not like lying to people.
We're not lying to anybody, we're just not telling him.
What is the difference?
The difference is we're not telling him anything at all. Yeah. And if we tell him about it, he will send you out of this house. And think about me, I'll miss you.
Anna.
It's not like we're doing anything. The plan has ended. No more liking yourselves anymore. Just helping me, being friends. Always. Please.
I'll think about it.
No, don't think about it. Just accept.
Alright, come here.
Let's see.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome.
Let's talk. Now.
Yes, sir.
I shouldn't have raised my voice the way I did the other day.
It's okay, sir. It's my fault. I shouldn't have overstepped my boundaries.
Exactly. You shouldn't have. That is why from now henceforth, you stay clear from me. Stay away from me. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
No, I don't think you do. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Anna. 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 Yes. I need somebody here right now to take down the door. Yes, just bring somebody here now, please.
Sir, please, are you by any chance referring to Anna's door?
Yes.
I'm coming. Let me check her, please.
Knock yourself out. Like I've not been there.
Oh my God. Anna? Anna, what is wrong? Talk to me, please. You know you can talk to me, right?
Ma, he was one of my classmates. Since I joined them in school, she has been trying to make me join her clique.
What?
And I said no. Today she said she lost her money, and then she told the teacher that I was the one that stole it. The teacher, she checked everyone's bag, and then she found it in my bag. No, but I didn't steal it. I promise, I didn't steal. I didn't take any money. I didn't even know how we got there. I tried to explain it to her, but she didn't listen to me. She flogged me. She punished me, and she made everyone call me a thief.
It's okay. It's okay. I trust you. Okay, I know you didn't do it. Okay, stop crying, please.
I didn't.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry. Stop crying. I know you did not do it. Okay.
Okay.
Well, we have to speak to your brother about this.
No, absolutely not. I'm not going to tell my brother. If you tell him, he's going to blow it out of proportion, and I don't want that. Please, don't tell him. In fact, I'm not crying anymore. I'm okay.
You're so stubborn. Come here. But I'll speak to him.
No, please. Please don't tell him. I don't want him to cause any trouble.
It's okay.
Sorry. Okay.
What's wrong with her?
Nothing. She's fine.
What do you mean, don't worry? She's fine. She came in here crying.
Don't worry. I've been able to settle it.
What happened to her?
No, it's nothing serious. Don't worry.
Nothing serious?
Yes.
Let me be the judge of that. I'll tell you if it's serious or not.
No.
Talk to me, what happened?
It's okay. She's fine.
I'll just go check
No,
her.
no, no, please, please. Please don't go to her room. I just managed to put her to sleep. It would be unwise that you go. Please, please don't go. Please. Don't worry. I settled it already. She's fine. Okay? Please. Don't go to her room.
Carla! Did she just go? Interesting. Anna.
Hello, bro.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
What is the meaning of you're fine? You came back home crying just now.
Don't worry about me, I'm fine. I'm okay.
Listen, talk to me.
Okay, you know what? I'm going to tell you.
Please,
But
come on.
just not now.
What do you mean not now?
I actually came to take water.
Okay, what's wrong now? Nobody's talking.
Sir?
How much can I give you for you to tell me what is wrong with my sister? 1 million. 2 million. 3. 4. Just say the amount, I'll transfer it right now for you.
You must really think that everybody can be bought.
No, I don't only think it. I know it. Everybody has a price, including you.
I find this very disrespectful, sir.
I don't care how you find what I'm saying right now. This is about my sister, and I want to know everything about it. I want to make your poor self some money out of it.
I'll have to excuse myself, please.
Are you working out on me? Clara!
Wakey, wakey! Stand up so you don't get late for school.
School? I'm not going to that school again. I told you I'm not going to that school ever again.
Anna, not today, oh. Not today that I'm going with you.
You're going with me?
I'm going with you to school.
You're going with me to what?
Wait. I'm not going to blow things out of proportion. I am going to settle everything amicably. So you get your name back, just like before, untainted.
Okay. Is that a promise?
No, I am not causing trouble, I promise you.
Okay. Okay then, let's go.
Come on, stand up.
Down, Lizzie, what are we going to do about
This is you running away now.
No,
Stand up. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go. Come here.
Thank you so much, Auntie.
You're welcome. Anything for you, my lady.
Thank you. Let me wear my slippers. What? You're gonna phone me in there?
Okay.
Bye.
Anna! Anna! Anna!
Yep, right here. I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting.
It's fine. Let's go.
Yeah. Ron wanted to give us a ride. Why did you refuse?
Nothing. I wanted us to take a walk, but you can go with him.
No, absolutely not. You know, he wanted to take me to school today so that he can go find out what happened since I wouldn't tell him. But I said no. I begged him to allow you handle it. You know, that was after promising I'll tell him immediately I get back from school.
All right.
Yeah. So let's just go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Is the gate heavy for you? Okay. Hello.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my love. How are you?
I'm very, very fine.
Somebody looks very happy today.
That's because I am very happy. So let me tell you what happened. You know the girl that I told you about yesterday?
Yeah.
Yes, she came out and she finally confessed. She told my form teacher, the one that punished me, that she was the one that planted the money in my bag. Yes, my form teacher had to apologize to me for punishing me, and also she punished everybody that insulted me and called me a thief, and also told them to apologize to me.
Amazing!
Like seriously, how did you resolve the whole issue without causing a sin?
I'm a magician.
Oh wow, well I never knew about that.
My top secret.
Well, you let the cat out of the bag.
I'm so happy that you're okay now. Come here, my baby.
Thank you so much, Auntie. Like, I really don't know what would have happened today if you didn't come.
It's okay. It's okay. So now go upstairs to freshen up.
Yeah, I'm going to go freshen up.
So I am going to make something very nice. That's why I was coming downstairs now.
Oh yeah, we need to celebrate. This is a call for celebration.
All right, I'm waiting.
Wait, what? A teacher dare to lay hands on you for something you didn't even do. It's that girl to set you up. In fact, I'm going to that school now. That teacher must get fired. It's that girl. I wish I punish her myself. No, what?
Please don't do that.
I'm already pissed with you for not even telling me in the first
This
place.
is exactly why I didn't tell you, because you make a big deal out of it.
And this is a big deal. Hope you know that. This is a big deal.
I wanted this to be handled quietly, and that's exactly what Auntie Carla did. Please, the teacher has apologized to me and the girl has been punished. Everything is good now. This, if you go there and make a big deal out of this, I will be alienated in school. I don't like it. I don't want it. Please.
Did you say Carla handled it?
Yes, she handled everything without fighting with anybody, without causing a sin.
Let's just hope this kind of thing doesn't happen again.
No, it won't, I promise. With the way Auntie Carla handled it, it will not happen again. And I think you should appreciate her for what she did.
No, I don't.
You need to. What would have happened to me if he didn't come to the school and did all that? Just a little thank you won't hurt. Just thank you.
Call her for me.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'm coming. Let me call her for you, okay?
Yeah.
You sent for me, sir.
Thank you.
You don't have to appreciate me. I didn't do it for you. Excuse me.
Carla.
I have something to do upstairs in my room. Excuse me, please.
Right. Okay. Auntie Carla.
Yes,
please,
my
I
love.
need your help.
Okay.
This is...
I'm coming. Hold on.
I don't understand. This one...
It's exactly the same thing as the previous. They only just paraphrased. How? They changed the words and the numbers, but it's exactly the same question. Do you understand it now?
Oh, yeah. Yes. Let me try.
Okay.
I understand now.
Okay. Try it. I know you get it. But if you need my help, call me again, okay?
Okay. Number 3. One, two. Oh, Romy.
Where do you think you're going to?
I'm going to clean somewhere else, sir.
That's not the question. Why are you avoiding me, Carla?
I'm not avoiding you, sir.
Say the truth. I can see right through it. Why are you avoiding me?
You asked me to stay away from you, and that's exactly what I'm doing.
That was the first thing I told you when you came to this house. So why is it the only one you're adhering to?
Well, sir, you know exactly why I'm staying away from you. I don't want to be in the same space with someone who feels everybody can be bought.
So that's my annoyance, yeah?
I'm not angry. I'm not annoyed. I just don't want to be in the same space with you. Someone like you.
Someone like me.
Yes, sir.
Well, you know what? You're going to mop the parlor down. And that's an order. I mean, right now.
Yes. So what am I going to? Oh yeah, have it continue.
Suspension.
Oh.
Bakery.
Oh no. You're not. Why? Okay, just give me a second. Let me. 1, 2, 3. Oh no. Okay, I give you a hold on, right? I give you another hold on, right? Continue.
Ooh.
Let's see what you have there.
General market.
Oh, my game was so perfect.
No, I don't have a game.
We're just going to keep going to market then. I think my brother is back.
Yeah.
So what do you have
I'm
to...
coming. I want to get something from my room.
What? That is definitely a lie. What is going on? So I want to ask you a question.
So why are you acting mischievous?
Okay, this is mysterious. Let me change my position. Can I ask you the question now?
Yes, my love.
Okay, so why are you avoiding my brother?
No, I'm not avoiding your brother.
You are. I can see it. Please tell me.
And I'm not avoiding your brother.
Auntie Carla, I'm telling you that you're avoiding him. I have eyes. Did he do anything wrong? Oh yeah, I know he has been doing a lot of wrong things. But is there any other thing that happened?
Anna, I am not.
You are. You are. Tell me. You don't want to tell me.
Come in.
So you sent for me.
Why is my room like this? Eh? Why is my room this scattered?
I don't understand, sir.
You understand what?
You asked me to stay away from your room.
You know what, henceforth, you have to clean my room before you clean any other room in this house. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now start cleaning.
I'm done, sir.
You what?
I'm done.
Anyway, my toilet is messy. Just help me clean it. Just bucket and mop it already.
Alright, sir.
Yeah.
So I finished cleaning the bathroom.
Just now.
Yes, sir.
Come on, Carla. Look at the flow now. Just look at it by yourself. Just do it again, please.
So there's nothing wrong with the place. It's clean.
I said do it again. Don't argue with me.
No, sir. Anna,
Mom?
I am so pissed. I'm so pissed. That guy's pissing me off.
Okay. Now you have to do it. Yeah, he's my brother. You don't have to kill him, okay? So what did he do?
Anna, I don't know why your brother is hell-bent on frustrating my life.
Okay, so
The only reason I'm here is you.
what did he do?
He asked me to mop his room 10 times. 10 times, Anna. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Why would he ask to mop his room 10 times? That's so bad. Why would he do that?
Anna, this is not funny.
It's not it's not funny at all. Like you mopped his room 10 times? You really did?
Guess what?
Okay, what?
It did not end there.
Okay.
So I was upstairs cleaning and he was downstairs in the living room.
Okay.
And then he had a knock on the door
Okay.
and asked me to come downstairs to come and open the door.
Okay.
Then we both went to the door together and guess what?
What?
There was nobody at the door.
You mean somebody? Okay, I don't know why I'm laughing now. This is not funny.
Anna, this is not funny. I'm driving crazy.
Sorry, you actually checked the door.
Anna, this is not funny. Your brother is driving me
Actually,
crazy.
It's not funny, actually. It's actually not funny.
Okay, listen, that's not the end of the story.
Yeah, tell me more.
So he came back inside
Yes.
and then asked me to go get him water from the kitchen.
Okay.
I did. And then I brought it to him.
Yes.
Guess what?
What?
He told me to stand and watch him drink the water. And just in case he needs anything else, he doesn't have to shout my name. You think this is funny? I'll strangle you now. I'll strangle you now.
Okay, you know what? Let's just go and sit down, okay? Yes, Auntie Carla. So, don't you think the reason he's doing all this and behaving like this is because he wants to, spend more time with you?
Anna, what does that mean?
Actually, absolutely nothing, yeah? Nothing. Actually.
Ouch! Ah! Ouch!
Carla, are you okay?
How? I cut myself.
Sorry, come. Let me help you dress it.
No, I'm fine.
What do you mean you're fine? You're hot. Let me help you dress it.
No, thank you.
No. Sit.
What is going on here?
I cut myself.
Oh my god, this is so bad. How did this
Let's go,
happen?
come,
You
let
need to
me
dress
help
it immediately.
No, I'm fine.
See what I'm saying? I'm trying to help her now. She's just proving stubborn.
You should be dressed immediately.
Right?
Why
come,
not just
come.
go? Go
I'm
to him. Go to
fine.
him. He will help
See
you.
what I'm saying? She said she... You know what? I'll send you money. Just take her to the
You would
pharmacy.
have actually been the best person to... You should do it. Sorry, okay?
Thank
You
you.
have allowed him. What's the problem? Let's just go to the pharmacy. I don't know how to do this.
Thank you.
Yes, it's fine. Okay, come on. Hope it's not too painful.
It is. Well, just manage.
Romney, we're back. I'm going out.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Sorry. What's just going on here?
It hurts.
Sorry. Wow.
What are you doing? I thought we were going upstairs.
Well, I changed my mind and I came downstairs again.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, interesting. So,
Where's that smile on your face?
you know,
I know that smile.
tell me you were worried about Auntie Carla.
Worried about who?
Auntie Carla, of course.
No, I was not worried.
You were worried. I saw it. I saw it.
How?
Your looks. And do you even know how you look like when you told us to go to the pharmacy? And do you even know how you look like when we were coming back from the pharmacy? What are you doing?
Handsome.
Didn't act like you don't know what I'm talking about. You looked worried.
I didn't even look at you guys. What are you talking about?
You looked at us a bit, but you didn't have to look for me to know that you were worried. I know that you were worried about her. Just admit it.
I was not worried. The only thing I was worried about was her blood staining in my house. So I just like to go to the pharmacy.
Roman.
What?
Don't lie to me.
Young lady, I think it's time for you to go to your room now.
Oh, no, absolutely not. We'll stay here until you admit the fact that you were worried about Auntie Carla.
Okay, I'm going to my room now.
You're going where?
I'm going to my room.
I know, you're trying to run away from the
I'm not having
conversation.
this conversation with you.
I know, I already know that
Never
you're worried.
happening. La 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 la.
Are you serious right now? He was worried. I'm sure about that. Sorry, okay? Is it too painful?
Yes.
Sorry. Did you notice that my brother was worried about you?
Your brother?
Yes.
Worried.
He was worried. Didn't you see it?
I did not see anything. That cold-hearted person worried about me.
Auntie Carla, that's my brother you're talking about.
I'm sorry, but that's the truth. Your brother doesn't care about anybody in the world except himself and you.
That's not true. He cares about some other people, like you.
He cares about me.
Yes, he does. He was really
No, Anna. Rather, all your brother cared about was my blood spilling on the expensive tiles in the kitchen. He said that himself. Didn't you hear it? Does that sound like somebody that was worried?
Seriously, if you believe that he was worried about his expensive towels, then I'm not sure who is hopeless between the both of you. I'm serious right now.
It's like you want to leave my room.
I'm just saying the truth, because how can you not know when he is worried about somebody? He was literally worried about you. He was just trying to put up an act, you know, as a man.
I don't believe, and you will not talk me into believing it.
God, I don't want you. Okay, you know what?
Besides, I don't even know what you know about men.
Did I say anything about men? I just told you that he was worried about you. He is worried about you. Who knows? Wherever he is now, he's like, my beloved Carla, she's hot.
Such a... Ouch.
Oh, sorry.
I literally forgot. Sorry. You're making me laugh too much.
You're supposed to be laughing.
Okay. How is the court? No, sounds too concerned. I'm not concerned about her. Just, do you understand? It's just, okay. I'm your boss, and it is my duty to check up on you, know how you're doing, how's your injury. All those speech, that's too long, it's too much. Okay, calm down.
Good evening, sir.
Hi. What are you doing here?
This is my room, sir.
Oh, not anymore. I want you to move to the room downstairs.
This night?
Yes, this night. Right now. That's an order, so start packing.
No. Why are you doing this to her? How would you tell her to move this night?
Do what?
Don't act like you don't know what I'm talking about. Why would you tell her to move to the room downstairs even when you know she's injured?
It's just a cut.
It's just the cut. I thought by now you must have softened up. But you're still hard. It's not fair.
Alright, fine. Tell her not to move anymore.
Great. Auntie, you don't have to do that anymore. Okay?
Your brother asked me to pack.
I know he did, but not anymore. I spoke to him and he said you don't have to pack anymore.
And I honestly do not understand your brother. He makes me very confused. Sometimes he acts like he has a personality disorder. I clearly do not understand, honestly.
I know. If I tell you I understand him, then I'm lying. I don't understand. But don't worry. Do you know the best part? You don't have to pack anymore.
Really?
Yes. Just take everything back.
Thanks to you.
It's fine. How's your hand?
It's getting better.
Yes. Hope it's not hurting you too much.
No, I'm fine. I'm just angry.
Okay, just calm down. Here, let me help you with your boxing. Oh, wow. It's heavy. Oh, jeez.
Thank you.
Yeah. Oof. What's in your bag?
Good morning, sir.
Hi, Carla. Good morning. How are you?
Sir, don't worry. I'll continue from here.
No, don't worry. I want to cook today.
No, sir, don't worry, please. Just tell me what you're craving and I'll make it.
It's fine. I said I'm going to cook. Don't worry. Okay?
Ooh, so someone's in the kitchen. Okay, let me remember when last it happened. Last 5 years? 10 years?
Very funny. It's very funny.
Yeah, very
It's very funny.
Mm-hmm.
Don't worry, I'll just handle it. It's my job to cook.
Don't worry. Okay?
How about, I have an idea. A great one of that. How about we all cook together as a family? Please don't say no. And don't say no. What'd you say?
Fine.
Okay.
Yes! So great. So I'm going to go change into something very cool and comfortable. Coming.
Alright.
Yeah.
So what do you want so I can handle it?
If I need your help, I'll let you know. Alright?
Alright, sir. So don't worry, let me just help you bring all you need so that they'll be close by.
Okay, that'll be cool. How's your hand?
It's getting better.
Does it hurt?
Yes, it does, but it's getting better.
Yeah. I just think you should do your job. You know, just finish up.
What was I thinking?
Come in. Your dress is so. Why are you not in your work outfit?
I was going out with Anna for our impromptu PTA meeting when she said you sent for me.
No, I didn't send for you.
Okay, so sorry, so I'll just...
What is it?
The door is locked.
Locked how? Excuse me.
Anna!
I'll just call her. Hold on.
Anna!
I said, hold on, I'll call her. Hello, Anna.
Hello, bro.
Open my room door.
Oh, well, I'm sorry, I can't, Roman.
What do you mean, no, you can't?
Look, I'm trying to have a me time, meaning I'm trying to have a time to myself, so I don't
So that's why you locked me inside my room.
Oh, don't see it like that. I already smuggled in some refreshments, and it's in your wardrobe. There is a watch card there as well. You should just have fun, do what you can do, you understand?
Listen, I'm not even playing with you right now. Open the door.
Bye-bye, big bro.
Anna.
on!
Can you just stop shouting? Stop shouting! You're disturbing me.
No, sir, I'm sorry if I'm disturbing. I'm just trying to help us get out of here.
Oh, she was here when I called her just now. If she wanted to open the door, I'll open it by now. See, just stop disturbing me, please.
Annabelle! Annabelle! Sir, for someone who has no prior knowledge of this, you seem too calm.
What are you trying to say? I know about all this. Eh?
Exactly.
Oh, so you feel I want to be locked in a room with you? You feel too highly of yourself.
Annabelle! Annabelle! Annabelle!
Are you tired already? Continue banging the door. Continue. Interesting.
And you say you don't know anything about this, but you're acting very prepared. You seem very prepared.
Anna told me about this on the phone call. I mean, if we're going to be locked here for like God knows when, I mean, we should eat something, right?
Thank you.
You have something here? Here. Sorry, here. Yeah.
It's not funny.
There's nothing there, don't worry. Just messing with you.
You have a very beautiful smile. I've never seen you smile.
Thank you. Do you want to play a game?
What game?
Stop.
Was that too funny?
So funny.
Oh my god, no, come back. Where are you going to? Oh, wrong timing. I should have really come earlier than that. No, later than this.
Why did you
Vegas
not
again.
come
Look, Rome, you and I know that you like her. All you need is a chance to...
Shut up! Shut up! Shut your mouth! What is wrong with you? Why can't you just be a kid? Be a child that you are! Stay out of my life! Don't want to see you ever again. Can't leave my room. Get out! I said get out!
Anna, please, I don't want to talk about this, please. My baby, what is wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? Please talk to me. Please, do you want to talk about it?
I'm sorry. I just wanted to help.
Please.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay. It's okay. I hate to see you like this. I'm sorry.
Sorry. He's not there, don't worry.
You startled me. You gave me a heart attack.
Sorry about that. Nobody's there. So, let's go. Auntie Carla, what's the problem? You've been restless. I mean, you've been like this since you came into this room.
Your brother hasn't left his room.
Okay, that's none of my business now.
Are you not worried?
Worried about what? He clearly said it to me. He said that he doesn't want to ever see me again. So I'm just keeping my own part of the bargain, so.
Anna, that's your brother.
I'm not denying that fact. Am I?
What if something is wrong? What if he's not fine?
I don't care. Look, if you care so much about him, why not go and check up on him? I simply don't care. Simple and short. Amy.
Anna,
Please.
Anna, I just heard your brother's car. Did he just leave the house?
Yes, he did.
Was he sick? Did you see his face? Is something wrong?
I did not look at his face.
Anna, do you want to keep keeping malice with your brother?
I'm not keeping malice with anybody. I'm just granting his request.
Anna, I'm sure he doesn't mean it the way you're seeing it. I don't think so.
He did. He did. And please, I don't want to talk about him. Just leave me alone. 1, 2, 3.
Anna, you're telling me to leave you alone.
Look, I'm doing something. I'm busy. I just need to be on my own now.
Anna.
What do you want me to do? You want to join me? I'm doing my assignment. Please. I'm sorry, but I'm doing my assignment, okay?
What are you doing in my room, Carla?
No, I'm helping you to arrange your room.
How many times would I have to tell you to not come to my room? Eh?
I'm sorry.
Now more than ever, I want you to avoid me. Avoid me! Carla, please avoid me! Now get out! Leave!
I made lunch. Are you not going to eat?
I'm not hungry, I don't want to eat, just leave! Just take your stuff, leave.
Good morning.
Good morning. Anna. Anna, you,
What is it?
just give me water to drink.
Here.
Carla. Carla, please. Please, I need you. No, please, I need you.
Please. You asked me to stay away from you, and that's what I'm doing.
No, Carla, please. Please.
With due respect, Mr. Roman, you don't treat people like this. You kiss me 1 minute, and then the next minute you're ignoring me. Please leave me alone.
It's about Anna.
Anna. What's wrong with Anna?
I saw blood stains on her dress. I think she's a
Menstruation. You can say it. I'm coming. I'll take care of it, okay?
yes, please.
What's this thing?
Hey, baby.
Hi. Oh,
Are you okay?
absolutely, I'm fine. I'm just here. Okay, I don't know. I don't know what happened. I just woke up this morning and I found bloodstains on the bed. And also on my clothes. I don't know. I didn't wound last night. I didn't use any sharp objects. I didn't cut myself. I don't even know what happened. I don't know what caused it. Did I fall? But actually, nothing is actually paining me. No, I don't feel like I cut myself. But I'm just bleeding. I don't know why.
Anna,
Why
it's
you
no
laughing at
big
me?
deal. No, I'm not laughing at you.
You're laughing
But
at
it's
me.
no big deal, okay? This is what we call menstruation.
Menstruation?
Yes.
Oh, you know, they've taught us this menstruation in school before.
Really?
Yes, but I didn't just think it'd be it.
No, this is what it is. But not to worry, I'll teach you everything you need to know about it.
Oh, thank you so much.
So nothing is wrong with you, okay?
Okay.
But first, we have to go shower. You have to go shower.
Oh,
So I'll
but
take you to the shower.
it's just on my clothes. I can just remove my clothes.
No, you have to clean up. We have to also clean this up. We have to get this cleaned up. Let's go. Okay?
Okay.
Let's go.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
So tell me, your birthday is in 2 days, right?
Anna, how did you find out?
Oh, well, I checked your document a long time ago.
You checked my bag.
I'm sorry for doing that. But weren't you going to tell me about...
No, birthdays are no big deal to me.
How? Birthdays only come once a year.
More like they come every year.
No.
I don't understand the hype.
The hype is that you're alive to see it. And that alone is a big deal. Yes. Do you know lots of people are not opportune to see that day?
True that.
Mm-hmm.
Why are you so smart?
I guess I was born with it. So, seriously, if I had millions of naira, like I could get anything for you, what would you have asked for your birthday?
I have never thought about anything. But now that you're asking me...
Okay.
I can't think of anything, Anna.
Oh, is that why you don't get hyped for birthdays? What about that bag? That bag we saw the other day on social media. Yes, that bag is so cute.
Another bag is so beautiful.
Yes,
but it is very expensive.
It is too. The white one was very, very, very beautiful.
No, I saw the black later on and it is so beautiful.
The black is beautiful?
Very. Maybe I'll show you a picture.
Okay, that's nice. Well, I can't buy it now, but if I had millions, I would have bought it for you. But don't worry, when I grow up, get a job, and start making money by myself, I'm going to buy you as many bags as you want.
I trust you, my baby. Give me a high five.
High five. So, you prefer a bag to a car?
A house. This is the bag that I like. Who brought this here? This is beautiful, but who bought it?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me. Okay, so this is what I could afford, but where did you get that?
This is not from you.
Absolutely not. I don't have money to buy this.
Well, since you say it's not from you, then...
Wait. There's only one person in this house that can actually do this. Oh, yeah. Nah, I'm thinking what you're thinking.
What's wrong? Who's that? Carla?
Yes. I came to return this.
Carla, it's a gift I got it for you.
Thank you, I don't want it.
Carla, you don't have to return it.
I didn't ask for it. Thank you.
That's why it's a gift. I overheard it was a birthday, so I got it for you.
Thank you. I don't want it. I don't want anything from you.
Carla.
What? What do you want from me? This minute you're nice and then the next minute you're ignoring me. What exactly do you want? I'm tired of being in the same position with you.
Carla, listen, I'm scared, okay? I'm scared.
What are you scared about?
My mom.
What happened to your mom?
She abandoned us. Left with a rich man. And I was barely 2. She never came back. My dad waited for her all his life. It slowly ate him up until he died. He loved a woman. It led to his death. It was at that moment I promised myself that I will never get close to a woman. Ever since I met you, I fought so hard. I've tried. But the more I fought not to fall in love with you, the more I fell in love with you. I always want to be around you. I literally miss you. Your room is just 2 steps away from mine. Your smile gives me butterflies. I'm scared, Carla. I'm scared. You're always in my thoughts. You're always in my head. When am I supposed to do? I've never felt this way for anyone before. Never.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared, okay?
What am I supposed to do, Kala?
Trust me. Trust me. Okay?
What? Why did you do that?
Food is ready. Should I dish it?
Yes, please.
All right.
And one more thing. You will join us for dinner.
Okay, so what did I miss?
Nothing.
You actually called her to join us at the dining table. There must be something I missed.
Wouldn't you like it?
Of course, I've always wanted that. But the last time I checked, you never wanted that.
Obviously, I just did.
Oh. Sorry, Rome, are you sick? Like, you're really sick? Not that kind of sick. I mean, yeah, that's kind of sick. Malaria. Are you sick in any way? Sorry.
I'm fine.
Okay, do you have like cancer? You're about to die? Something like that?
You that about to die.
No, I'm just asking, because why do you need... I'm just asking, though.
Mind your business in this house, in this small girl.
Ron, why are you suddenly happy? I knew it. Look, I knew it all this while. But I'll just keep quiet. I'll just keep it to myself.
Face a girl problem, please. Put me in it.
Someone's alive. Oh, this story is nice.
I didn't see that coming.
Yeah, I saw that coming.
Anna,
Come on.
Never change.
So, when did it happen?
What happened?
I mean, the last time I checked, you both were not in talking terms. Yes. But now, from him getting you a bag to calling you to join us at the dining table. So I'm asking, what did I miss?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing? There's
Nothing, Anna. Nothing. Well, I probably misunderstood your brother. But we're cool now.
Okay, so cool. Like,
Anna,
yes.
Cool? Cool. No extras?
No, I mean, like, dating crew, friendship crew, boyfriend crew.
No cool. No cool other than what I've said. Cool. No extras.
Seriously, it doesn't look like that.
So what does it look like?
I look like, oh my god, I'm super cool.
No extras, trust me. Just cool.
What if I say I don't trust you?
But that is what it is.
When I look into your eyes, I see dating crew. I'm super cool. What's it?
I swear you crazy.
Give it to me.
What?
I'm just...
Carla, give my phone.
Never catch it.
Give my phone. I need my phone. Okay, stop. I need my phone.
You need the phone. What?
I need my phone. I need my phone.
Take it. Oh my god. Okay, you can have it. I was nice running around with you. I was just going to freshen up. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
Good night.
Just so you know, I'm the master planner.
Bye.
Good night.
Good night.
She's such a sweet girl.
Right. So how about me?
I don't know.
Oh, so guess my turn, you don't know. Well, Anna is sweet, right?
No. Well, you're not bad.
Call I'm not bad. Eh? I'm not bad.
You're sweet too.
Thank you. And trust me, you are too. Very sweet.
I want to go to my room.
Right now?
Yeah.
Really? Just stay up a little bit, please. Please.
Okay.
Carla, listen. I know we've had our differences in the past and all that, but I'm sorry. Okay? Let's just put it all behind us and look forward to a very bright tomorrow. So, Carla, would you be my girl?
Your girlfriend?
Yes. Carla, please say yes.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. I love you.
I love you too, Carla. A lot.
And what is someone watching?
Oh yeah, this new series. It's actually a cartoon.
It looks like it's interesting.
Yes, it is. Yeah, so I noticed since today you've been very, very, very happy. Is there anything?
Anna, I'm always happy.
No, like today's just like you added a little bit of spice to the happiness. So
Okay. And your brother have started dating.
are you serious?
Yes.
This is right about the greatest news I've ever heard. Oh, this is so great.
Thank you, my
I wouldn't
baby.
have wished for a better girlfriend for my brother.
Yes. Thank you.
And also, you think he's in his room, right?
Yes.
Okay. Actually, I heard him making a call. Something about school, university. I think he wants to send you back to school. But shh, don't say a word. He didn't know I overheard him, so he probably wants to make it a surprise or something. Yeah, just shh.
Okay.
Shh. Yeah. I'm so happy. Oh my god, I missed the point. Wait, I need to get the remote.
Okay, here's the remote. Anna, guess what?
Is that? Yeah. Okay, so why are you excited?
Your brother just told me that he wants to train me in university.
Is that so?
Yes.
Oh, I told you he's a nice person.
Yes, you did. You said so. Your brother is the most thoughtful person that I have ever met.
Yeah.
He's so sweet. He's caring. He's thoughtful. Such an amazing...
Are you trying to daydream about my brother? Oh, yeah, I know. He's so sweet. Don't make me feel jealous.
I'm just excited.
I know. Come here. Okay, so did he tell you when you start?
Well, not yet, but I think that he's going to start the process ASAP. So let me go meet your brother.
Why are you going to meet my brother?
I'm coming.
Okay. Yes, school is fine. Everything is cool. Guess what? I have good news.
Anna, you know I'm not good at guessing. What
Yes.
is it? Just go right to it.
Okay. Auntie Carla and my brother are dating.
You must be kidding me.
I'm so happy
For
that
real?
our plan worked.
What plan?
What plan are you
Who were you on the phone with?
with Uncle Cameron?
So what plan are you two hacking this time?
We're just worried about you and
Just answer the question, Anna. What plan?
everything that you saw that made you bring Auntie Carla into this house was all planned. It was planned by Uncle Cameron and I.
What?
Yes, Auntie Carla coming into this house. And every other thing that has been happening.
Anna. Oh, babe, you're here. What is going on?
Ask my sister the copy.
Oh.
Oh. So you knew about this? Huh? You knew about this plan?
Yes, I did.
Oh, you knew about the plan?
Yes.
That means they must have paid you, right?
No, nobody paid me.
Oh, come on now. I'm sure they must have paid you money to do what you did. So how much were you paid?
Roman, I wasn't paid any amount. Nobody paid me.
She's saying the truth.
Oh, wow.
Nobody paid her. She didn't even know about it earlier.
After all the whole preaching of I don't have a price now, look, you're here because of money.
Roman, nobody paid me to be here.
She's saying the truth.
I wish I could believe you right now. There you are, just like her, waiting for the highest bidder. So tell me, how much did they pay you to be here? How much was it? Eh?
What? Roman, I will not stand here and watch you insult me.
Listen, I don't want to set my eyes on you in my house again.
Say that. Don't, man. I don't. Rome, you can't do this. You can't send her out of this house. No, you can't. Look, all this is it's not her fault at all. It's not her fault. It has nothing to do with her. Okay, look, when she found out about it, she wanted to come tell you. Yes, she did. But I was the one that told her to not come. Rome, don't do this. I beg you, Roman. Mama, can you just listen to me? God. Roman, I don't like what you're doing. This is not fair. Sorry. This is all my fault, seriously. It's all my fault. I shouldn't have done all this.
This is not your fault, okay? Stop doing this to yourself.
But it's the truth. It's all my fault.
And if I and your brother are not working, then it's not meant to be. Stop worrying your little head, please.
Okay. But I wish you would just stay. In fact, I wish I can come with you. I'll miss you so much.
Me too, okay? But you can't come with me. Your brother needs you.
No, he doesn't.
Anna, your brother needs you. He hasn't fully recovered from your mother leaving you guys. He's still hot from the scar. Okay?
Okay. If only he can just listen to me. Listen to me for a minute. I will explain to him and I will let him know that this has nothing to do with you. It's all my fault.
It's okay. Alright? It's fine.
Okay. But I really miss you, Auntie.
I miss you too. But don't worry, I'll call you every day, okay?
You will?
Come here.
Let me help you with the bag. Oh, as usual, it's heavy.
Just wait. Let's see if we can roll it.
I made us something to eat. Do you want to eat now? Okay, the thing is, I want...
Anna! Are you okay? Are you okay? Anna!
Somebody, I'm fine.
You know what?
Fine. I just wanted to put up an act since you wouldn't talk to me.
Wow. I mean, you're getting really good at this thing.
Please, I know I deceived you. I shouldn't have done that. I'm sorry.
Oh, wow. So putting up another act shows me how sorry you are.
You weren't talking to me.
Oh, so you think I'm talking to you right now?
Of course you're talking. Look, if you try it again, I'm going to beat myself and roll on the floor. Listen to me. You don't have to do this anymore. Stop it. Roman.
Suit yourself.
Suit yourself too.
Anna, what are you doing here?
Oh, please, I just want us to talk. Just listen to me, just this one time, please.
Get up, sit down.
Okay. I know I was wrong. I should have told you everything earlier. I should have told you immediately. But I was scared. I was scared that if you knew, you would send Auntie Carla out of this house. And I didn't want that to happen.
So you and Cameron paid Carla, right?
Absolutely not. We didn't pay anybody. Even Auntie Carla didn't even know what we were doing. She didn't know there was a plan going on. Well, she later found out about it and she wanted to come and tell you, but I begged her not to tell you. If you don't believe me, you can call the agency. You can call them and you will see that Auntie Carla has nothing to do with what Uncle Cameron and I did. Please. Auntie Carla is nothing like Mom. She's kind and she loves you so much, Rom. You have to believe me. Everything that happened was orchestrated by Uncle Cameron and I. It had nothing to do with Auntie Carla. I promise. This is actually the first time I've seen you this happy. And I don't want to be the one to ruin it. Please, just call Auntie Carla back. Please.
But she's gone now.
I actually have her number.
Please, I heard there's an emergency. Where's Anna? She told me there's an emergency.
Listen.
Where's Anna? Anna!
I'm the emergency. Carla, listen up. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I didn't trust you. Sorry for all the hard times I put you through. Listen, I want you to forgive me, please. Just find it in your heart to forgive me. I'm truly sorry, Carla. I'm ready to trust more. I'm ready to love more. I'm even ready to open up more. I'm ready to do all that for you, Carla. Please forgive me, I'm sorry.
Are you serious right now?
I'm dead serious, Carla.
Please stand up. Rom, I'll never do anything to hurt you, okay? I promise I am nothing near your mother. I'm nothing near what she did to you in the past.
I trust you, Carla. I trust you so much. Please don't leave me again.
I won't.
Please.
I'll never leave you again.
I love you, Carla.
I love you too.
I want you to love me.
I love you so much.
Show me.
Now that's the part I've been waiting for all my life. But you get a room, that's an advice.
Come here.
Come here.
I miss you so much, Auntie Ka.
So you tricked me.
Did I? I actually said it right. There was